Hello everyone, this video will show you how to make a Flaming Text logo. So first you need to go to the Flaming Text site. Once you get there, you just choose a logo. There are loads and loads of logos. There are pages and pages of them. So you really can pick anything you want. Please don't pick a logo that moves though. If you pick a logo that moves, then I won't be able to print it for you. I'm gonna pick this one. I'm gonna choose this one. Next, I can edit it. I can put my name. There it is. Then I can even change the background if I want to. I can pick a pattern. Look at all these fun patterns. There are 66 of them, too many to choose from. I'm going to take the blue one. Once I've chosen which one I want, I can also change the text. I'm going to take Aladdin. There we go. Then I click on Next. And I'm not going to buy the logo because they're free. So I'm just going to download it onto my computer.